Welcome to my travel channel once again. As you all know, I chronicle my travels in this channel. So today I'm not gone outside Nairobi, but this is a place that not many people like touring, especially Nairobian. I'm a Nairobian, and imagine I've never come here. This is my first time. So I'm at Nairobi Railway Museum. This place, I like it so much. There's so much vintage around here. There are some old stationary trains here. I'm going to show you. Inside there are some pictures and histories of the place and the railway in general. So I'm going to show you all of that. The entrance is 200 bob for citizens. So come everyone here, especially over the weekends when you have nothing to do. Keep it locked. As always, I'm your girl, Eva Kadure. Reception where you go to pay your receipt, and inside there it's also a big museum with artifacts and vintage stuff. And then outside here, that's where the trains are, the stationary trains. You can start on either side once you've paid. This is one of the old trains. Let me get inside and try to show you. Oh, climbing here is not easy. Ooh, it's dilapidated. This was the toilet. I don't know what couch was this, but I'm guessing it's the first class. Wow. All the same. So I think I'm on the first class couch. They all look the same. I saw this one that has graffiti all over it, and I was like, whoa, this is so dope. Especially for photo shoots. I've seen a lot of people doing photo shoots here. I was so curious to see how it looks inside, and honestly, it's also run down. Even some trees are growing inside. But I bet in its heydays, oh, it was so beautiful then. I am very sure of it. In the first room, when you enter, there are many glass cases. So here we start. There are so many models of trains on the glass cases. So because I don't have a tour guide right now, it's a public holiday, I'm going to read what is written here. So this one is a model which was presented to the East African Railways and Harbour Administration by the Messrs. Bayer, Peacock and Company Limited. This is the old railways, the old train, I mean. On the wall, there's so many history of how the railway started, and so many pieces of history. This is the cargo, the old cargo. They even showed there were some railways kiosks by 1964. The Uganda Railway. There's this huge bike here called Permanent Way Inspector's Bicycle. It used to provide a quick inspection of the line by permanent way staff rather than slower method of inspection by push trolley. Oh my god, like this was the easiest way, and you can see how big it is. Like technology has really evolved over the years. There are some plates here, queens, porcelain cups and plates. So here we have bells. These bells used to signify that the train will start in 5 minutes after the ringing of this bell. You can hear even this other one. And then there are these two pieces of equipment here. It's written up there that these two pieces of equipment were used to allow only one train on a single rack. And they're still here, and they're still saying that they're still in use on the railway up to now. And you can see different types of fonts. Then, oh my god, they were so heavy. But they look good. Show them these ones. And then there's an oil lamp. This one, they used to illuminate on the lower front of the steam locomotive. Awesome. Yeah, even that one is a table lamp. So many things to see here. Let me go and show you the rest. This is the Mckinnon steamer, which was completed in 1900. It started working in 1900 June. You can see how big it is. And it was declared obsolete on 28th June 1929. Thanks for watching this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make it a point to come and visit this place, especially over the weekends. It's a nice place to come and see and learn about our history. Bring kids. It's 100 for kids, 200 for adults. Residents and non-residents are charged differently. Follow me on Instagram at Eva Travel Diaries, on Facebook Eva Kadure. Till next time when I go to another beautiful place. Bye bye.